Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm excited to show you how to enhance your online privacy and improve your browsing experience using an app called MTM Tunnel VPN. This app provides a stable connection, supports multiple protocols, and helps maintain your data security while you're online. Whether you're looking for more control over your internet connection or just want a more private browsing experience, MTM Tunnel VPN offers helpful tools for everyday use. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to download, install, and use MTM Tunnel VPN on your Android device. Step-by-step setup guide. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Step 2. In the search bar, type MTM Tunnel VPN. Step 3. From the search results, tap on the correct app. You'll recognize it by its unique icon. Step 4. Tap the Install button. Wait for the installation to complete. It may take a few moments depending on your connection speed. Step 5. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Step 6. The first time you open the app, it may request notification access. This is optional, so feel free to allow or skip it. Step 7. Make sure your internet, Wi-Fi, or mobile data is turned on. The app will refresh its settings and update server information. Selecting servers and protocols. Step 8. On the home screen, you'll see options to choose both a server location and a connection protocol. Step 9. Tap on the server section to select a region. Choose one that fits your browsing needs. Step 10. Tap on the protocol or tweak section. Here, you'll find different protocol options. Choose the one that provides the best performance for your internet setup. Step 11. Advanced users can enable custom settings by tapping the radio button at the top right corner. Step 12. This reveals more options such as SSL, V2Ray, slow DNS, and others. Some might require custom information, while others work immediately with default settings. Connecting securely. Step 13. Once everything is set up, return to the home screen and tap the large Start button. After a few seconds, you should see a connection status update. You're now securely connected. Wrap up. And that's it. You're now all set with MTM Tunnel VPN? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tech guides and updates. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay safe and secure online.